Today, we will talk about the installation of the trunk tactical platform. First, we need to remove the entire roof. Then take out these two mounting plates and install them on the top. Then we first find the screws in the screw bag. The white screw with washer of M8x25. And fix it to the hole on the car. Then take out these two side panels. Then we use this M6x10 screws, which is the most screws in the package. Then follow the slope of this and the slope of the speaker are the same. Then fix these two screw holes. Fix them. Then, everyone should pay attention that don't lock these two screw holes completely. You can lock this one, but not the front one. Then we take out this buckle. And we need to put a matching washer. And install it on the screw. The two screw holes of this tactical top plate. After installing the buckle, then we will fix this. Fix the tactical net board here. Fix it with 6 screw holes on one side. We still use this. M6x10 screws with washers. When we install this, we can adjust it to adjust the tactical net plate to the approximate middle position. And then you can put it on. Then we adjust this. When fixing it, after adjusting it to the middle position, and then go to the top, the 2 screws to lock it. Then when we want to lock it, is to adjust the center point to the approximate middle position. First, we need to connect this. Then we adjust it to the center of the hole and lock the screw. Then we take out these 2 plates. The 2 side tactical plates and the connecting piece. For the convenience of installation, we first attach the connecting plate. Remember, the one without the mounting hole is at the back. Then install it on these 3 small strip-shaped holes. Then screw the screw from the bottom. We still use the M4x M6. 10 screws. Then between these 2, we need to put rubber sheet between them, which is the rubber sheet that comes with it. You can lay it horizontally like this. You can pad 3, and you can also put one here. You can cut it as you like. Then we align the 2 side panels. Align the holes with the strip holes and install it from the back. The slope. The slope is the same as the slope of the body. The slope is backward. When you install it here, you can install the back cover. If it's difficult to install these two side panels. If it's difficult to install the top cover, you can install the top cover first. Install the top cover first, then the side panels. After installing the top cover, then we can install the side panels. Then we take out the two side panels. And the screw holes we just removed from the car. Use the original screws to directly fix. To fix the tactical board, fix the bottom plate in place. Use the original screws. Then we take out the L-shaped connecting piece and put it in the corresponding strip-shaped hole. There is a detail here. The strip hole is here. Please pay attention. Then take out the table leg clamp in the bag and the screw that comes with it and install them in these small holes. And install it in these small holes. This is the effect of the table leg installation. Then we take out these two side panels. Then install the side panels on this. On the side. Then push the top cover forward. And then use the top cover to press down the side panel. If you need to install an air pump, you can first install the bracket. Also align with these two holes. Align with these two holes to install the air pump bracket. If you don't need to install it, you don't need this bracket to install. Also, align these two holes at the bottom. Align with these two holes. Then we will put this M8 by 25 screw and add the washer and pass through the hole. Then we insert these two screws. These two screws are directly connected with the bottom plate. Don't tighten these screws yet. Don't tighten them. If you tighten them, there will be no adjustment margin. Then we take out the slider. The slider and the connecting plate. And the desktop connecting plate are connected in this way. After installing the connecting plate, after installing the side panel connected to these four holes, use the M6 by 10 screws and install the white screws. This can be directly locked. After locking, then put the slider plate like this. Then it's done. Then, the back part. The front part is shorter, and the back part is longer. Everyone should pay attention to this. Finally, we take out this left turn and take out these two bags of screws, which are used to fix the table board, and adjust it to a suitable position. To lock the two sides of the smaller pentagonal screws on both sides, then, according to your own habits, and adjust it forward or backward. It depends on your own, according to your own habits. After the entire tabletop is installed, tighten these screws. Tighten the screws uniformly, whether it's the original car screws or the side screws. or these screws. Tighten them uniformly.